One of Pantera Capital's investors, Paul Veridicate, was brave enough to make predictions for this year in the tumultuous world of crypto. Even though he applauded the courage, we're going to poke holes in them. Because this is the internet and that's what we do here. To be clear, the author went through 2021 biggest trends and extrapolated them into the future, which is a safe enough technique. Related reading: Sports NFT marketplace Limpo suffers an $18.7 million hack considering Pantera defines itself as the first U.S. institutional asset manager focused exclusively on blockchain. You know, Veridicate barely mentioned Bitcoin. The following is a purely crypto affair. It's also worth noticing that the biggest criticism that Web3 gets is that it's funded by venture capital and they're the ones who will ultimately benefit from it. And, well, that's just what Pantera is and does. In any case, let's explore Veridicate's ideas and predictions. Surprisingly, the article starts by throwing Ethereum under the bus. According to Veridicate, all the action will be on L2s. Those grew tremendously in 2021, and the Pantera investor considers them essential to Ethereum's scalability. As mainstream adoption of crypto continues to grow, Ethereum's network congestion will only become worse, exacerbating its problems with latency and fees. Rollups are critical to sustaining the growth of Ethereum by ensuring that compute infrastructure is highly scalable, allowing users to interact with dApps with similar or even better expectations around usability as with traditional web apps. Reading between the lines, this prediction also says TH, which sounds about right. This prediction refers to the Battle of the L1s, or the supposed Ethereum killers. A Pantera investor is obviously partial to one in particular. Recent activity in the Solana community, including the launches of massive funds for decentralized social media and gaming, suggests that the ecosystem will continue to grow immensely in the coming year. First of all, you can't have D. Second, Veridicate forgets to mention Solana's constant technical problems and outages. Make of that what you will. Another tendency the author mentions are bridges, which enable interoperability between vastly different networks. He considers those will accelerate the growth of non-Ethereum ecosystems. Or, to put it more bluntly, overall, these advancements in cross-chain infrastructure will accelerate the... which sounds about right. This theme ties with the previous one. A Pantera investor gets into a very interesting topic, though: decentralized identity projects, which allow users to maintain full, more precise control over personal data and reputation, enabling use cases around uncollateralized loans, know your customer, KYC, rules, and more. In 2022, we'll see more projects expand the scope of on-chain ownership, allowing users to have full, functional control over their identity and holdings in the digital world. One thing's for sure, the world needs a single login across all services. No one can handle the number of passwords we're supposed to remember. This is a real problem. In the article, however, the author focuses on Ethereum-based solutions. We would like to mention that there's an alternative that uses a Lightning network, and, you know, that runs over a network that's actually decentralized. This is his least controversial take. Veridicate thinks NFTs will continue to grow immensely in popularity through the coming year. He elaborates, NFT projects in 2022 will show substantially more diversity in use cases and will reconfigure how we interact with and think about ownership of digital media more broadly. However, paraphrasing Vitality, NFTs have to live through a bear market before they can be considered a success.